Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you that how you can create an account on the Any.do. So let's start. So first of all, what we have to do, simply we need to open the website. So as you can see now, the website is open. Now simply what we have to do, we have to create account on the website. So as you can see, it has an option for the login. So let's click on the login. If you have created an account already, so we have to click on the login. If you haven't created an account, so simply we need to click on the create a new account. So as you can see, it has an option. So let's click on the continue with Google, and I'm going to choose this. We have to choose our email, so let's click on the continue. For example, we have to choose the options according to team. For example, I'm going to choose the option like with my team, and now name your workspace. For example, I'm going to write my workspace name here, designers, and let's click on the continue. Let's click on the continue again. So as you can see now, simply we have to add our teammates here. For example, I'm going to write simply my teammates name here. We have to provide the email address, so I'm going to write the email address here. So as you can see now, simply we have to click on the continue, and let's click on the continue. So as you can see now, it's here. If you want to use a template, you can also do that. Or if you want to create a blank board, you have to click on the create a blank board. Then a blank board will be created. So let's click on this, cut this one. So as you can see now, our account is created. So in this way you can create your account on Any.do. So I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can do this. The account is created, now you can use it. So see you guys in the next video.